the made-up term semi-numismatic, which means sort of rare. It's completely made up. It doesn't really actually exist.
Right.
So companies can work with a mint, the royal mint, even reputable mints, and create a coin, an Arctic monkey coin that nobody's heard of.
Right.
And they produce a limited quantity of them and sell them as sort of rare because there's only 5,000 of them produced and in circulation in the entire world. And they're sold for a very, very high premium.
Yeah, this kind of bait and switch idea. The first coin they did was the gold American Eagle proof. And actually, that coin is actually rare. But then what happened was there were so many of these gold dealers, they didn't have enough. So then somebody figured out, like, well, I'll go to the Royal Canadian Mint, or I'll go to one of these mints and say, make me, a limited supply of 1.5 ounce silver coins or 1/4 ounce gold coins, and put a polar bear or an Arctic monkey. And then we're just going to tell people on the phone that they're rare. I mean, I've seen the commissions when I started 16 years ago, but you're looking at this scam is a 50% plus commission.
Absolutely. And it says that in the transaction agreements of other companies, 60 plus, 60% plus at the discretion of the sales associate. It's shocking. And there's a second part to this, which is almost worse. When these clients that own these coins go to sell them, there is no market. And they find that out 5 years later, 10 years later, when they're calling us, hey, I bought this coin from a company that's no longer in business 10 years ago. Will you buy this 1.5 ounce silver Arctic monkey coin? And what is that? We've never heard of that. They think it's rare and desirable.
Yeah.
It's bad.